Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer Qantas points to American Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log in to your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here on the main page, we have the, of course, travel guide, flight details, plans, and all of those things. And in the middle of the screen, the most important thing is a book a trip, where you can, of course, go and book your own trip. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer Qantas points to American Airlines. So unfortunately, you can't directly transfer Qantas points to American Airlines and Vantage Miles. However, you can use the Qantas points to book flights on American Airlines through the Qantas website or mobile app. And here is how. Of course, first of all, log into your profile as I told you and click on the Use Points. So click on the Use Point tab and select Classic Flight Rewards. You need to go into your points. You have your points here. So basically, you have how much points you have is here. And you can go to, of course, just a second. You can, of course, go and click to the, of course, to your flights, which you can click on here. You can go and click on your bookings, which are here. And here you will have the option to, of course, use your points. So you can use my points like this. And now when you click on that, click on the enter your travel details, including the origin, destination, and travel details. Now, Qantas will show you available flights on American Airlines that you can book using your Qantas points. Select your desired flight and proceed with the booking. So, which you can do here, and you have the, as you can see, classic booking. So you can search flights here, everything. You can see how much points you, of course, here need. So, guys, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.